What is honed marble? What are characteristics and benefits of honed marble? Dear friends, marble is synonymous with elegance, beauty, and luxury. For thousands of years, this natural stone has wowed artists, architects, and rulers alike. Its smooth, silky feel and unique veining gives it that high-end appeal. Polishing accentuates these features, which is why marble often has a glossy finish. However, polishing isn't the only finishing option for marble. For many homes, a honed finish is the best choice. Let's watch and explore the unique benefits and characteristics of honed marble to see if it's right for your home. What is a honed finish? To create a honed finish, stone craftsmen use abrasives to wear down the surface of the marble. This results in a flat, matte-like appearance. Professionals typically use an electric orbital sander with sanding pads. They may also use honing powders. Because it's easy to apply this finish to an existing surface, you can hone your marble at any time. For example, if you decide you don't like your polished marble countertops, you can refinish it to feature a honed surface instead. Characteristics of honed marble. Depending on the level of abrasion, honed marble can be anywhere from satin to matte. It's soft in appearance and velvety to the touch. Unlike polishing, honing won't exaggerate the veining patterns of the stone. Rather, the veining will have a smooth, subtle look. Honed marble also has anti-slip properties, adding some grip and resistance to the surface. Benefits of honed marble. In terms of style, honing achieves a softer, less dramatic look. If this is consistent with your personal style, a honed finish may be the right choice for you. Honing also has some practical functions, as well. Because of its slip resistance, it's perfect for flooring, especially in areas prone to wetness. It also does a fine job of disguising scratches. Popular uses for honed marble. Honed marble is a great choice for flooring. Due to its anti-slip properties and ability to disguise scratches, it can handle the constant foot traffic of both interior and exterior floors. It's even ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. If you love the look of a marble countertop but are concerned about dulling and damage, a honed finish could offer a solution. Since the matte surface doesn't reflect much light, scratches are less noticeable. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.